The Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid continues Yamaha's rally-inspired legacy, taking direct DNA from Dakar racing and transforming it into a production motorcycle that feels purpose-built for real-world exploration. From the moment you look at it, the World Raid looks aggressive, tall and ready to conquer harsh terrain. The design is functional rather than flashy with sharp lines, slim bodywork, and a stance that immediately tells you this bike is meant to travel far beyond city limits. Yamaha has clearly focused on balanced durability and rider confidence rather than unnecessary luxury, and that is exactly what hardcore adventure riders want. At the heart of the 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid sits the proven 689cc parallel twin CP2 engine, one of Yamaha's most respected power plants. This engine has already earned a legendary reputation for reliability, smooth power delivery, and strong mid-range torque in the World Raid. This engine feels perfectly tuned for long-distance adventure riding. Power comes on smoothly, making it easy to control on loose gravel, sand, or muddy trails while still having enough punch to cruise comfortably on highways for hours. It doesn't try to overwhelm the rider with excessive horsepower. Instead, it focuses on usable performance, which is exactly what you need when riding in unpredictable environments. One of the biggest highlights of the XTZ700 World Raid is its unique dual fuel tank setup. Yamaha has equipped this bike with twin side-mounted fuel tanks, giving it a massive fuel capacity that allows riders to travel extremely long distances without worrying about refueling. This is a huge advantage for adventure riders who plan remote trips where fuel stations are few and far between. The low-mounted fuel design also helps keep the center of gravity down, improving balance and stability, especially when riding off-road or maneuvering at slow speeds with a fully loaded bike. Suspension is where the World Raid truly separates itself from many other adventure motorcycles. In its class, Yamaha has fitted high-end, fully adjustable KYB suspension at both the front and rear, offering long travel design to handle rough terrain with ease. Whether you're riding over rocky trails, deep ruts, or uneven surfaces, the suspension absorbs impact smoothly and keeps the bike composed. On paved roads, the suspension still feels controlled and stable, making long highway rides comfortable without feeling too soft or floaty. This dual-purpose suspension tuning makes the World Raid incredibly versatile. The 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid rolls on a classic adventure wheel setup. With a 21-inch front wheel and an 18-inch rear wheel, this combination is ideal for off-road riding, providing better obstacle clearance and improved traction. On loose surfaces, the spoke wheels are built to handle punishment, giving riders confidence when tackling challenging terrain. Paired with aggressive adventure tires, the World Raid feels planted on dirt while still being capable on asphalt, making it a true all-terrain machine. Braking performance is strong and predictable with high-quality disc brakes that provide excellent stopping power without being too aggressive. This is especially important in off-road conditions, where smooth and controllable braking is crucial. Yamaha has equipped the World Raid with switchable ABS, allowing riders to disable rear ABS for better control during off-road riding. This feature shows Yamaha's understanding of real adventure riding needs, giving riders the freedom to adapt the bike to different terrains and riding styles. Ergonomics play a huge role in long-distance comfort, and the XTZ700 World Raid excels in this area. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, and well-placed foot pegs create a natural and relaxed posture that reduces fatigue on long rides. The seat is designed for extended hours in the saddle, offering good support, while still allowing easy movement when standing up during off-road sections. Tall riders will especially appreciate the generous legroom, while the narrow midsection makes it easier to control the bike when riding. Standing up wind protection on the World Raid has been carefully improved compared to standard adventure models. The tall rally-style windscreen and front fairing help reduce wind fatigue during highway cruising while still maintaining visibility and airflow for off-road riding. This balance is important for adventure riders who may spend hours on highways before reaching remote trails. Yamaha has clearly focused on making the World Raid comfortable enough for long journeys, without compromising its off-road capability. Technology on the 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid is modern but intentionally Simple, the bike features a clear and informative TFT display that provides all essential information such as speed, gear position, fuel range, and trip data. The interface is easy to read in both bright, sunlight, and low-light conditions, making it practical for real-world riding. Yamaha has avoided overloading the bike with unnecessary electronic riding modes, keeping the experience raw and rider-focused. This simplicity enhances reliability and ensures the bike remains easy to maintain even in remote locations. Durability and build quality are major strengths of the World Raid. Yamaha has engineered this motorcycle to handle harsh conditions. From extreme heat to rough terrain, the frame is strong yet lightweight, designed to absorb impacts without compromising stability. Protective elements such as skid plates, engine guards, and reinforced components give riders confidence to push the bike beyond paved roads. This rugged construction makes the World Raid a trustworthy companion for long expeditions, where reliability is everything. When it comes to long-distance touring, the World Raid truly shines. The large fuel capacity, comfortable ergonomics, and stable handling make it ideal for cross-country or even cross-continent journeys. Luggage mounting options allow riders to equip panniers, top boxes, or soft bags, turning the bike into a fully loaded adventure touring machine. Despite its rugged nature, the World Raid still feels manageable on long highway stretches, offering a smooth and enjoyable ride without excessive vibration or noise. Off-road, the 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid feels surprisingly agile for its size. The balanced chassis, low center of gravity, and responsive throttle make it easier to control than many heavier adventure bikes. Riders with off-road experience will appreciate how predictable the bike feels, allowing them to focus on line selection and terrain, rather than fighting the machine. Even less experienced riders will find the World Raid approachable, thanks to its forgiving power delivery and stable handling. Another key aspect of the World Raid is its strong identity. This bike doesn't try to compete with luxury-focused adventure motorcycles, loaded with complex electronics and comfort features. Instead, it stays true to Yamaha's rally heritage, offering a pure adventure experience focused on riding skill, endurance, and exploration. This philosophy resonates with riders who want a machine that feels authentic and purpose-built rather than overly refined. In terms of value, the 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid offers an impressive package. Considering its premium suspension, large fuel capacity, and proven engine, it delivers exceptional performance for its class. Yamaha has positioned this bike as a serious adventure tool rather than a lifestyle accessory, making it an excellent choice for riders who prioritize capability and reliability over flashy features. The sound and character of the CP2 engine add to the riding experience. The parallel twin produces a distinctive exhaust note that feels strong and confident without being overwhelming. On long rides, the engine remains smooth and composed, reducing rider fatigue and making extended journeys more enjoyable. This balance between character and comfort is one of the reasons why Yamaha's CP2 engine is so highly regarded among riders worldwide. As an adventure motorcycle, the XTZ700 World Raid encourages riders to push boundaries and explore unknown paths. It's a bike that feels equally at home on winding mountain roads, endless highways, and remote dirt trails. This versatility makes it an ideal choice for riders who don't want to limit themselves to a single riding style. Whether you're planning a weekend escape or a months-long expedition, the World Raid is built to handle the challenge on Acer Showroom. We see the 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid as a motorcycle that represents the true spirit of adventure. It's not about comfort alone, and it's not about raw speed. It's about freedom, reliability, and the confidence to ride wherever the road ends and the trail begins. Yamaha has refined and improved an already impressive platform, creating a machine that feels ready for the world straight out of the showroom. In the end, the 2026 Yamaha XTZ700 World Raid is more than just a motorcycle. It's an invitation to leave routine behind, to chase horizons, and to experience the world from the saddle of a machine designed for real exploration.